How to export Google Keep Notes to Google Docs. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can export Google Keep Notes to Google Docs and quickly. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's just jump right into it. First step, locate your Google Keep Notes, and after you find your Keep Notes, you can open it up. After you open it up, find the note that you want to copy or send to Google Docs. So let's say this is the one that I want. What I'll do is I'll long press on it, and after you do that, tap on the three dots on the top right. Then you'll find an option that says copy to Google Docs. Tap on it, and it'll start copying it to Google Docs. After it says copy to Google Docs, you can tap on open, or you can directly go to Google Docs. Let me just go back here. If you have the app, you can locate Google Docs app, and after you find it, open it up. Now there you can see Google Keep document on the top. Tap on it. There you can see it's the very same note that has now been exported to Google Docs. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.